Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant for 2025 crypto enthusiasts. How to withdraw Modic from your Tangem wallet straight to Binance. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your assets around, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet app installed on your device and your Binance account ready to receive funds. Also, double-check that you have some Modic in your Tangem wallet. We're talking about the Polygon Network token here. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and unlock it with your PIN or biometric authentication for security. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Modic token from your list of assets. If you don't see it, ensure it's added or imported correctly. Step 2. Tap on the Modic balance and choose the Send or Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which is your Binance deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Copy it directly from your Binance account under the deposit section for Modic. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, crypto transactions often have network fees, so subtract a little extra for gas fees on the Polygon network. Select the Polygon network as your transfer method to keep costs low and speeds high. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and final destination. Once you're confident, hit confirm and approve the transaction using your Tangem wallet's security features, like the hardware button if you're using a Tangem card. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Polygon network are usually fast, taking just a few minutes. Head over to your Binance account and check the deposit history to confirm when the Modic arrives. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Wait a bit longer or check for any error notifications. One last thing. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so always stay updated with the latest from Tangem and Binance. That's it for this guide. If you follow these steps, you'll be withdrawing Modic like a pro. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.